Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishnan Nair, and here basically we are discussing the topic that is earthquakes. And in earthquake, basically this is the topic that is dependencies, currencies dependency. So in this topic, one of the person told that, do you know that person which is going, he is Dubai. Do you know that person basically which is going? Yeah, basically he is that person. Basically who has done 30 years fasting of Hanumanji and still basically not got the job basically, and not getting one single girl also for marriage. Yeah, yeah, that is Sunil Nair. Yeah, 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 that guy. Do you know that person basically which is going? Yeah, that is Bangalore, I think. Yeah, that is Bangalore. Do you know that person which is going? That is Chennai. Do you know that person which is going? That is Poland. So like this, each and every basically person has identified. Each and every city basically was converted into blood cells. That is the human basically. Their energy, and for example Bangalore energy is there, one person is there, right? Bangalore energy collected, dumped into the nuclear power plant, compared with this person's energy, both energy must be same basically, but not exact count basically, it can't be same basically, but micro nano basically, that is basically the dangerous project basically. You can say that as a nano Tata nano project, that basically nano Bangalore blood cells equal to Bangalore city energy blood cells. That is Bangalore city blood cells. Sorry, Bangalore energy converted into each and every human's body, each and every parts basically converted into some nano energy, that equal to that person's basically energy. So that must be equal. This is basically new concept basically, you can say. That is basically comes into the digital world basically. This type of thing basically are common basically. This type of utility basically the software company basically has, because this is the only way. This is the only way to compare each and everything basically. This is the only things basically which you can compare basically. Like this basically the US company basically is the US city basically, the US group basically who basically are into the digital world fully. They basically most of compares the energy this way only basically. That's basically USA. So India is also basically equivalent to USA only basically, you can say, because they are also basically connected with USA, so they basically can purchase the product basically. US is also basically, UK is there. UK is also very dangerous country basically. They basically never show off basically, but they are very dangerous country. Like Italy is there. Italy basically are very dangerous. Like Dubai basically are there. Dubai are also very dangerous country basically. Dubai actually is city basically, but equivalent to country basically, you can say. Then basically Saudi is there. Like this basically many countries are basically there. They are very 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 dangerous basically. So to compare that dangerous country into dangerous city into one person basically, that's more dangerous basically. That's actually very dangerous basically. And to keep him as a cool person basically, cool person means he is not supposed to become angry like this basically, that becomes more dangerous basically for the doctors basically. Then this becomes a challenging work basically for the doctors basically, how basically this can be done. So that type of basically ideas basically are also basically there, which are basically the doctors idea basically. They basically do this type of stuff basically, they basically keeps on doing stuff basically. Then basically they, one of the person basically told that that is basically the Bangalore barabar. That person which is going na, he is Bangalore basically. The Bangalore city is basically kept in the one computer basically. Do you know basically that one computer side basically it's Bangalore city, another side basically is that Bangalore person basically. Both are basically getting compared basically. That type of technology are basically there, and that things basically are very dangerous basically. Very dangerous means very very dangerous basically, because you are directly creating the stuff basically, directly creating lots of things basically, directly creating the planets basically, and this is very dangerous basically. These all things are very, very, very dangerous basically. Not dangerous basically, very, 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 very dangerous means whatever dangerous basically comes basically in your world basically, that dangerous basically. So this all are basically also idea basically, which is basically came from 900 crore people basically, which is connected with set of planets. That basically we can't track basically from which planet basically it is coming, because we don't have technology power. But satellite group basically have this technology power. So if Earth planet technology people basically ask the satellite group basically that we want the data, then basically they can give basically. It's not like that basically they will never give basically, because after giving also basically Earth planet basically is doing anything, going to do anything? No, basically they can't do anything, no, basically, because by knowing the one planet and by knowing the one planet direction basically, anything Earth planet can do? No, because they have controlled the each and every Earth planet energy with the satellite basically. So nothing basically not a single energy basically can be passed from the Earth planet to satellite and satellite to universe basically. That is impossible basically. If you giving some space to the rocket also, rocket get uh, into sky, into satellite area, into universe area, then immediately that roadmap basically get washed out basically, immediately basically. Then basically how you can basically send a single data also? That's why basically the rocket mission basically kept very, are kept very secretly basically. Even basically news channel basically can't know basically that one day basically thousands of rockets are basically getting fired in the universe and in the satellite basically. So that's why basically each and every mission basically are kept very secretly basically. Because you know the satellite groups and the universe group know that basically human basically can pass the condition from Earth planet to satellite and satellite to universe basically. They know basically the human power basically up to what level human power is. That's why they basically keeps each and every person's energy basically, controls keep each and every person's energy. And nowadays basically each and every human basically energy are kept in the computer basically. Means what, for example, 24 hours basically this person has done what, morning woke up, done brush, went to walk in, went for jogging, went for breakfast, went for bath, went for um, bathroom, went for study, then basically went for some purchasing item, went for mall, then went for lunch. Like this basically each and every 24 hours activity, whatever things he do, they basically keeps into the computers basically, in the from the, with the help of the power company basically. So that's very dangerous basically. So like this basically nowadays the digital world basically keeps each and every people's information also basically, and each and every building information also basically. Because reason is building information, because like I had taken the example of Microsoft Energy, that 1500 building basically are handled by the Microsoft matrix basically. Yeah, that matrix basically is taking the data and basically dumping the data into certain level of computers basically, and from the computer basically the data are tracked basically. So like this it's a digital world basically. So these all are basically ideas basically, which basically came in the blood cells of the 900 crore people basically. And that idea basically are generated basically. It's not basically that automatically it comes in the mind basically, without having any consumption basically inside the body basically. Idea basically never comes basically. That example I have taken, that tomato energy and potato energy, until basically the tomato and potato energy gets activated and basically it activates in their body basically, they basically are never going to get the idea basically which is setted by the Earth planet human basically. Earth planet group has basically sent one idea to the planet basically. They are going to think according to the idea basically, which is data is passed from the Earth planet to that planet basically. So just see the power basically. Earth planet has converted into the asset basically, you can say, in the universe basically. Earth planet has converted into the asset basically. Asset, what is that basically? Everybody knows basically what actually the asset is. Asset word is that everybody knows. So it's like that basically. So in next video we are going to see a little bit more about the ideas total ideas basically in 700 900 crore people.